I made the last video. Volcano, here it goes. So I forgot how a volcano shit goes. So it's like, oh, why you build like that? No, I'm playing. I know that's not how a volcano works, but y'all gotta tell me that this will look. Watch this. Bam. Oh no! Somebody threw something in there now. Boom! Boom! Oh my god, it's sliding down. This is also made out of titanium, so it's not gonna melt. Titanium, yep, straight up that it totally melted. No, see, told you it didn't melt. Nothing melt. Nothing melts. No, it's just going up. It doesn't look cool. Oh my god, it's still fire. Put the fire out. It's always the fire. I have to stop. Be like. So let me get a block so I can block it off. I mean. Wait, what do a single thing to it? It's not gonna escape. Oh my god, it's using fire to its advantage. It's gonna burn the wood. Oh, it can't even burn it. The lava's it gets to it quick. Watch this, watch. It's gonna get put out in that river. Wait, what? That's a decoy. Its power is to take it apart. Break it apart. Wait, what destroys? I forgot what destroys this. Oh yeah, only that. Wait, only that can destroy it. Nope, nothing destroying it. I promise y'all, this used to destroy air. I forgot new updates. I hate new updates. You could have consumed this. You could have consumed. Now all of it's getting out. Bruh. But titanium won't even work. End the video, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's all this video I will be posting a lot of times. A lot. Bye bye.